Well, guys, right now I'm having an issue with my alarm. Right now it's not working. Right now it's off. So what I came up with was putting these two aluminum glasses on my door in case somebody wants to break in. I assume that this will get really noisy once they open the door. What I'm gonna do now is I'm going to open the door to see if this alarm really works or not. Let me go to the other side. I'm gonna put my, well, let me grab my keys. And I'm gonna go through the other side of the car to open the door. Once I open it, I assume that the glasses will fall on the floor and they will function as an alarm. Let me see. You see, it got really noisy. Apparently it works. My God, I'm crazy.